You know what's wild? While everyone's figuring out what Instagram algorithm changes and TikTok trends in 2026, there's this platform that's been sitting right under the noise. Barely any competition, crazy, engaged audience, and some of the honest conversion rates I have been personally seen in affiliate marketing. I am talking about Telegram. And before you click away thinking, oh, another person telling me about some secret platform, hears me out because I ignored Telegram for almost 3 years. Thought it was just crypto bros and private groups, and when I finally tested it 6 months ago, let's just say I wish someone had slapped some sense into me back in 2023. I am Bisho Jit Roy, founder of Maxbe Marketing. Today I am breaking down exactly why Telegram channels are one of the most underrated affiliate marketing strategies going into 2026. And more importantly, how you can actually use them without sounding like a spam bot. And stick around because at the 7-minute mark, I will share exact content framework that took me Telegram channel from 200 ghost subscribers to over 3000 actively engaged people in just 4 months. So let's start with same context. Telegram hit 900 million monthly active users in early 2024, and by May 2026, they are pushing past the billion mark. But here's the thing nobody tells you. It's not about the size of platform. It's about the behavior of those users. There was this study from Digital Marketing Institute in late 2025 that found Telegram users have an average session time is 27 minutes. You should know what Instagram is, about 11 minutes. TikTok having around 14. Why does this matter for affiliate marketing? Because attention span equals trust building opportunity. And trust is literally the only thing that make affiliate marketing work long term. Yes, my own experience, I have been doing affiliate marketing since 2022, failed at particularly at first. By the way, I have been tested every major platform, Facebook groups, Instagram, YouTube comments, failed email lists, even tried Discord for the hot minute. When I finally launched my Telegram channels in August 2025, I was honestly just experimenting, don't expect much. I promoted the same affiliate offer across the platform simultaneously, my Instagram story, my email lists, and my Telegram channel. The results? Instagram 2.3% click-through rates, email 4.1% click-through rates. Telegram? It's 11.7% click-through rates. Same offer, same copy, same thing. I actually thought I did missed up the tracking link at first. Now, you might be thinking, okay, that's your experience. Maybe you just got lucky. Fear. Let me tell you why this worked from a psychological standpoint. Telegram users opt into channels immediately. They are not scrolling mindlessly. They are actually looking for valuable content in their specific interest areas. When someone joins a channel about affiliate marketing strategies for or digital nomad income, they are already in learning mode. They want recommendation, they are pre-qualified. Compare what that Instagram where someone watching a reel or a cart filling of a coach. Then your affiliate post shows up, then you are back to watching, clicking videos. Zero intent, zero focus. On Telegram, the environment itself is different. It's more private, feels less like being marketed to. Messages show up a personal broadcast, and here's the clicker. There's no algorithm hiding your content. If someone subscribe to your channel, they see your message prior Instagram. You are lucky if your 10% of your followers see your post. Telegram is 100% delivery rate every single time. Alright, so let's get into the actual strategy. Because just creating a Telegram channel and dropping a few links is the first track to getting ignored. Here's the framework I use. I call it the VVP Framework, Value Voice Promotion. Phase 1, Value. 60% of your content. That's where the most people fail. They think Telegram is just another place to dump promotional content. Wrong. Your Telegram channel should feel like a premium resource. I post the quick win tips in 30-second reads that people can implement immediately. Industry news rounds up what changes in affiliate marketing, algorithm updates, now platform features. Exclusive hand the scenes content my actual earning reports, what's working, what's flopped. For example, last month I posted a breakdown of a campaign I ran that completely tanked. Lost about $180. I shared exactly what went wrong, the assumptions I made, and what I learned. That post get more engagement than any of my success story posts. Why? Because people are exhausted by highlights reels. They want reality. They want to learn from mistakes, not just victories. Phase 2, Voice. 30% of your content, that's your personality, your story, the human connection. I share steps like quick voice message 1 to 2 minutes where I am literally walking to class or working late at night. Just sharing thoughts, pulls asking my audience what they are struggling with, responding to common questions in dedicated posts. Remember, I am 22 years old, still in my university studying economics at National University, running a business on the side. I don't painted the on same decades long guru. I am just few steps ahead, reaching back to help. That's authenticity builds trust faster than any sales copy ever could. And here's typical tip. I post photos 6 times per week, not daily, not multiple times a day. Just consistent quality content that keeps people engaged without overwhelming them. Phase 3. Promotion. 10% of your content funnel the after promotions, but here's the key. I only promote products I have been actually used or thoroughly researched. And I am honest about it. My promotion posts follow this structure. The problem, what the point is, does it solve? My experience, how I use it, what results I got, real numbers, who it's not for. This is the critical build trust, which is for specific use cases. The offer after link with full disclosure. For example, when I promoted a keyword research tool last November, I said upfront, if you're just starting out and have less than $200 to spend on tools, this is not for you yet. Use free alternatives like Uber Suggest or Google Keyword Planner. But if you are running multiple content sites and need serious data, here's why this changes my workflow. This post converted at 18%. 18% of people who saw this is clicked through. And I got dozens of messages thanking me about the honest assessment, even from people who don't buy. Okay, so you are convinced. How do you actually build the channel? Step 1. Channel setup. The basic done right. Name your channel clearly. Don't be covered. Be searchable. Affiliate Marketing Series 2026. Base Bisho Jit channel. Every single time. Write a killer channel description what that includes. And which is for the share often the post that makes it different at a professional profile pixel. Does not need to be fancy, but it sounds like be reasonable. Step 2. Initial content bank before you promote your channel. Create 10 to 15 pieces of content. When new subscribers join, then scroll back through your story. If it's empty or just has 3 posts, they will assume it's Edinburgh or not serious. I made this mistake with my first attempt. Posted twice, promoted it, get 50 subscribers, then got busy and don't post for 2 weeks. Channel died instantly. Step 3. Cross promotion without being enemy. This is the where you leverage whatever audience you already have. Instagram or Facebook. Create a story post about where I share my unfiltered affiliate marketing journey with Telegram link and YouTube, and add your Telegram link in your video description and in-scan email list. Invite subscribers to join to exclusive real-time updates other people's channel. Many Telegram channels do shortcut for shout-out, collaborations, find on competing channels in your niche. I grow my first 500 subscribers almost entirely from my Instagram audience. Then the magic happened. Telegram's built-in sharing feature kicked in. When people find your content valuable, they forward it into your friends in private chats. You can track this, but it's happened organically. Step 4. Engagement looks as question. Run polls, request feedback, then more people interact, the more feel invested in your channel. I do a weekly Q&A Tuesday where I answer subscriber questions via text to quick voice message. Takes me maybe 30 minutes, but it builds incredible community. Let me save you some time and features. What does not work? Posting only after links, you will be seen as a spam channel immediately. Buying subscriber fake engagement kills channel. Regular spam detection is actually good. Copying other profiles' content word for word, your unique voice is only real competitive advantage. Inconsistency. Posting 10 times on a week, then disappearing for 3 weeks. Look, I failed at so much step between 2021 and 2024. Online service that paid pennies, CPA campaigns that went nowhere, even launched a project called World CPA that completely flopped in 2023. Each failure cost me time and money, but every single one taught me something. And on the biggest lesson, there's no shortcut to building real trust with an audience. Telegram just gives you a better environment to do it. So leave you with this. If you want to test Telegram for affiliate marketing in 2026, here's your week on attention plan. Day 1 and 2. Set up your channel properly, name, description, first 10 posts from content you already have. Day 3 to 4. Invite your existing audience from other platforms. Post on announcement explaining what makes this channel different. Day 5 to 7. Engage with every single person who joins. Respond to comments, ask what they want to see, then commit to 90 days in consistent posting. 4 to 6 times per week. Value, voice, promotion, it that 60-30 10 split. Track your engagement and see what resonates. Adjust and remember, this is not a magic button. It's a not post 3 times and make 10,000. It's relationship building at scale, but it's a relationship building and environment that actually rewards genuine connection. Well, everyone succeeds with this? No. Same niche work better than offers. Same people give up after 2 weeks, but if you are willing to show off consistency, provide real value and honest about both wins and losses, Telegram might be just to be a platform you wish you would started on 2 years ago. If this was helpful, do me a favor, hit the like button so YouTube knows to share this with other people who might benefit. Subscribe if you want more honest novice affiliate marketing studies, and drop a comment telling me are you already using Telegram or this is totally new to you. I am Bisho Jit Roy. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.